This week on Camp Plastics TV, we jet you off to the Expoplast trade show in La Belle Provence. At the Palais des Congrès in Montreal last week, hundreds of industry members turned out for the triennial Expoplast trade show. This year, the show also hosted a number of peripheral events, such as the APAC Business Networking event. The two-day show kicked off with an opening ceremony last Monday with speeches by our own Dean Dussault, editor of our French-language publication Plastique et Molle, Ron Desjardins, and Dunice Cloutier. Quebec's Minister of Economic Development, Innovation and Export Trade, Raymond Bachand, and the ministry's parliamentary assistant, Nicole Maynard, were also on hand to open the show.
By getting involved with many initiatives like the networking sessions, our government is an unfailing partner of the plastics and composites sectors, and we are proud of this. I wish you all, à tous, bon salon Expoplast. Merci.
Once inside, attendees had the opportunity to view the latest product offerings from major industry suppliers. According to Expoplast show manager Tom Sockett, the show's exhibitors were pleased with the attendance at this year's event.
Talking to people on Monday, they said it was a good show. Today, we assumed it would be busier, and it was. And for some people, they said it's been an incredibly good show today. So, in balance, the attendance has been, in the range of what we did in 2005.
And the show also recognized some of the unique achievements of Quebec's plastics industry. The innovation area near the show's entrance highlighted some of the industry's most outstanding accomplishments.
We conceived of an idea that, to instill pride and enthusiasm in people in Quebec and in the plastics industry in general, to showcase unique products that have won awards in some cases, and that showed the innovation and the resources of Quebec in particular. And I think people need that, especially when the market's a bit flat, to sort of have things to feel proud about and to have a sense of accomplishment. And that area has done that.
In and around the show, major equipment suppliers had their latest machines working overtime to show off their latest wares. Several companies were producing parts on the show floor. And the Sheen Quebec-based downstream extrusion system supplier CDS Inc. used a car as a centerpiece of their booth in order to drive more visitor foot traffic to their space.
Actually, it was an idea that we had. One of our friends had lent it to us, and we decided to go with it. And we just put the flags represent a whole bunch of countries where our machines are located in. So every flag represents a country where our machines are in. People come in, people that don't know us or that are not in the extrusion business, they come to see the car. People that know us will come to see the machinery and the people involved in the company. And then they'll look at the car. But it's for those who don't know the extrusion business and want to know what extrusion is, they come to see the car and then look around and ask questions. So it's one way to, again, expose ourselves and expose the extrusion industry to the general public.
Overall, although many attendees and exhibitors were talking about the recent downturn in the economy, it didn't do much to dampen the industry's spirits. According to CPIA's Tom Sockett, this year's show still managed to measure up to Expoplast's last outing.
Given, again, the state of the economy and the industry in general, I mean, anything could have happened. It could have been a moderate success or a flop, but it's been, I think, very successful. I'm extremely happy, and I'm happy because most of the exhibitors are. So when they're happy, I'm happy.
Reporting from the Expoplast trade show in Montreal, I'm Kimberly Carrera.